Hi, welcome to our channel. This is Poppy from his side. Recently, a customer needed to make a metal cable lockout. So, in this video, we will show you how our laser marking machine can help you to create high-quality, durable marks on metal cable lockouts. Previously, people used to mark these products by spray printing or labeling, such as these. But these marks are not permanent and can be easily removed. In this case, the customer's cable lockout was made of aluminum oxide. So, we recommended 5 laser marking machine. This creates a fast and beautiful marking result, and the marking is permanent. Let's take a look.
Create the marking content and set the parameter. Put the marking product on the bench and adjust the position. Then click the mark and start the marking.
In conclusion, laser marking machines are an ideal solution for marking metal cable lockouts. They offer precision, durability, and versatility, making them a valuable investment for any industry setting. If you are interested in learning more about our laser marking machines, please visit our website or contact us directly for more information.